So here's where I'm at. I pulled the stock arm off this, but I just needed to get the dimensions easier. So I made my own. Works good. I got to put the clip on it yet. It's out longer by 20 millimeters, and I have a place to put a set screw in when I put the lever system of however I'm going to do it on this one. But I also needed it to clear 10 millimeters off the edge. So everything's good. So this will work pretty decent. Self closes, spring loaded. Just re-engineered it a little. Cool. Alright, so I'm making a filter plate. I want to use the 660 filter. So I need a plate to mount all that to the carb and stuff. So we're just going to cut one out since I don't really have another option. But anyways, we're cutting it out of polycarbonate. So I got this pass, one more piece comes out, see what I got, and we'll see how everything lines up and fits. It's almost done. And not too bad. We'll clean this up and see how it works. Next up too, I got a piece of just crap aluminum I tapped, well, just threaded it, and put it in where the choke was. I removed the choke. I'm not going to really need it anyways, how this is going, so it is what it is. Gonna have to for the way that this is going to be built. So there's other ways around it without a choke, but anyways, that's where we're at. I'm plugging those, gonna smooth them out, and we'll continue.